they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
You will never be one of the people!
Ignore the window there because, you know, this isn't professional, so had to make do with what I got. Hello! I know it's been so long. It's been so long that YouTube literally sent me an email saying that I have a 30 days notice. 30 days notice. I have a 30 days notice from YouTube basically saying that all the monetization on my channel will get taken away because I haven't hit certain thresholds. Which kind of messed up because, you know, I did make some money, but you have to reach a certain cap before you can take it out. And I guess I didn't reach that cap there, so, you know, I guess it's just sitting there. It's taking me my money, but I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen to it. Maybe they will give it to me. Who knows? And under that 30-day, I need to reach 1,000 subscribers or reach 4,000 hours of watch time. But I'm like right in front of the window too, so everyone can hear me doing everything I'm doing right now. Also, apologies too if I sound a little off. I actually have been sick. That's one of the reasons why I could do this video. I've been home all day today. I went home early yesterday, so your boy is sick, but he's feeling much better today. Kind of was hoping maybe during the filming I would be a little like I was yesterday, so maybe you guys would have more sympathy, but it's alright. It's alright, I'll go back to work tomorrow. That's good too. Anyway, you know, the thing about my channel, or the thing about when I was putting it together, you know, I didn't have a direction. Even to this day, I can kind of say I still don't really have a direction, and just there were a couple of videos that did kind of get big, and one video that got really big, which really kind of drew in all of the influx of people and the views and the hour watch time from one video of an anime music video that I did back on my old channel, Xeno729, back in, God, probably back in 06, 07, like early years of YouTube. I put that up. So I didn't really have a direction for the channel, but I wanted that channel to still be a creative outlet. Back in 2017 and parts of 2016, I made such a big deal about malls that, like, this is it. This is my brand. This is the channel, and I'm going to do so many things with it. But a lot happened. A lot happened. I was living in Southern California, but I needed to find a position in my company, and to do that, I had to focus. And, you know, I eventually found that position, and I was really good, but me finding that position also meant that I now had to move to Texas. Actually, I moved to Long Beach while in Southern California, and then I moved to Texas. So I moved twice in the span of a year. So not only with dealing with finding the position, and then now dealing with the move, I ended up getting a girlfriend, and now I've been dating Charisse now for let's say we're almost at our year mark, and you know that she took all my attention in the best way possible. You know, I wanted to focus on now just my new position, and I also wanted to focus on my girlfriend and just how to really blossom this relationship. So a lot was going on, YouTube. A lot was going on. But you know, I'm kind of glad I saw this. I'm glad YouTube kind of gave me this red flag, because you know what? I talk about it every day. I don't forget the fact that I still want this space, still want this creative outlet for me to express my ideas and content that I want to create. And I think that this was finally the push I needed. So, but this is kind of a, hey, if you want to support me, you want to help me out, hey, please click that subscribe button. It really helps me out a ton. Actually, it will literally save me now. But guys, this is not the last you'll hear from me in 2018. I will be releasing more content, I promise you. And I just thank you for coming along on the ride. Peace.